Good morning, friends. What are you two doing?
Nothing.
Just playing Lego.
Are you happy to have Sissy's home? Are you happy to be home?
Yes! Yes!
Oh my goodness. Crazy room here.
I'm in the car.
Let's go see what Cailyn's doing.
I heard you coming.
Dang it! I was hoping to catch you. What are you doing in here?
Watching my movie.
Oh, my nerd children, video games and movies. Are you happy to be back?
Yes.
Yeah, you look tired.
I am.
No napping.
I know, that's why I've been watching this.
Oh, okay. Once upon a time. You're obsessed.
Yes, I am.
Enjoy your movie. Kids are kind of having a lazy day today since they landed late last night. We got in, since they landed yesterday and then we got back in really late last night. I always make the first day or two when they get back kind of just a relaxing day before we jump back into school and kind of stuff. So they're just hanging out, video games, movies, relaxing, just kind of trying to get them back on, you know, the time zone difference change and everything. So we're just having a lazy day today. Got the house cleaned. It's looking pretty good. Where are we going?
To the library, because it's Tuesday. Maybe Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. I'm tired.
Okay. Would you like more pink? Oh, that's your phone? Yeah.
Stop!
Yeah.
He likes to control the porch. Red. He likes your legs.
There you go. Whoa, it's going. It's going. Whoa. Look at that. It's going. Oh, Clay's done this before, huh? There you go.
Here, hold the funnel there.
Whoa. Wow.
Do like this and don't do that part. Jump. So coming through here in the headphones.
I am headed to the doctor for my baby's appointment. I'm pretty excited. The girls wanted me to have the doctor confirm that the baby is still a boy. So I'm going to ask him for that to see if we can get a picture. Just hanging out, checking on the baby, listening to the heartbeat. It's pretty cool. I already met with the doctor, and the doctor said that the baby is about 3 pounds and 16 inches long already. It's pretty exciting, and he's measuring right on target. And he checked. It's still a boy. I'm sitting in here, and he keeps kicking the monitor that's supposed to be checking his heart rate. It's pretty funny. Yeah, it's snowing outside. Look!
Hey!
Look at the snow come down. Look at the snow come down. You see it out there? I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's snowing out there.
Mama? Hey, well, if I go outside in that snow, I can really stick my tongue out.
You're so weird.
Okay, Mama.
I don't know if you can see them, but they were out there. They wanted to go sledding and enjoy the snow. But the only hill is way out there, so I'm not sure if they're going there or not. Patton, don't you climb out the window. You get out on that roof, I'm shutting this window. Grab the footage from the memory card in the camera. Should be the blue 16 gig. I got some footage of the kids sledding, but since they're so far away, I had to get it from the camera. But make sure I use that footage. Looks like Alexa's having fun. Oh, she fell. She fell off. She actually flipped over. Yep, there they are. Going to that hill way out there. Yep, just as I suspected, Alexa's not gonna go up. Oh, maybe she will. Let's see. I didn't think she was gonna do it. All right, let's see if she's gonna sled down. I'll be impressed if she actually goes down. It's pretty windy. Oh my goodness. No? She got too scared. I think they're gonna walk back down. I don't think they understand sledding would be easier, but I think Alexa's just too scared. Yeah, I think I'll come back down. Oh, they're gonna try lower. Cailyn's gonna, I think, see if she'll do it from lower down. Maybe it was just too high. Let's see, is she gonna go? Oh, she did it! Yep, pink bombs hope there. She's pink head to toe, that's hilarious. So Alexa did it, she just wouldn't go up as high. Oh no! A tumble in she went. At least she's willing to go again. They decided to go to the back hill. It's actually getting pretty windy out there, but they're on the back hill now, which is a little closer to the house. I'll show you here. So it's out there, that hill right there. There's Hope, she just went down. And then you got Cailyn and Alexa back there walking down the backside. The kids are having fun outside, playing in the snow. It's pretty windy, but they're having fun enjoying the little bit of daylight we have left sledding. So I'm glad they're getting to enjoy it. Cailyn came inside, but Hope and Alexa decided they wanted to play on the trampoline. And Alexa keeps throwing snowballs at Hope. You having fun, Alexa? Nothing like a trampoline in the snow, huh?